Greetings and welcome to Yarnspirations.com. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to learn how to make the knit one below stitch. Now before we get too far, I would like to welcome you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red box in the description. We have new tutorials every week. So knit one below stitches are used in a couple of instances. One is color work. Sometimes they're used to get a color to get from one place to the next, but oftentimes they're used in texture stitches like this little swatch I have going on here. And to knit one below, all you do is, instead of knitting in the stitch that you would normally knit in, you literally knit one below. So put the right hand needle tip in the stitch under the stitch where you would normally knit, and now you see there's two loops over your knitting needle. So you're going to go ahead and knit like you normally would and push both loops off at the same time. So I'm just going to make a knit stitch here to get to the next one. So instead of knitting where we normally do, we're going to go one below. We're going to make sure it goes all the way through to the back of the work, yarn over and pull it through and push both stitches off. One more time, not knit one, but knit one below. The important part of this is to make sure that you have two loops on your hook. You don't want to catch the stitch, you don't want to catch the stitch below and ignore the one that's on the needle. You're going under the one that's on the needle, and like I said, you're going to have two loops on your needle. That's the important part. As long as you have those two loops, you're doing it properly. Once again, in colorwork patterns, it helps you get the yarn from here to there. And in textured patterns like this one, it adds a lot of density to the fabric. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life. Thanks so much for joining us here on Yarnspirations.com. Don't forget, we have new videos every week, so subscribe to the channel for more videos about knitting, crocheting, and other kind of yarny crafts. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.